Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you an oldie from the Perth Mint. This is their Emu release from 2023.
We've had a couple of these lately, Michael. Some of the old new stocks kicking around, and it feels like a little bit of a time capsule back at least a couple of years.
It certainly does. As you can see, they are a sealed box from the Perth Mint. They even have the Perth Mint sticker on the other side. I won't reveal what else is on there for now, but that's okay. But you can see they're a sealed box of 23 emus. We only have the 300 here, so they will go fairly quickly, but we quite often, we get asked in store, have you got, the last year's whatever, or the year before's whatever. So when we get a decent number in, like when we can pick them up from a wholesaler or anything like that, I kind of like to put them up on the web as actually what they are and sell them in the store as what they are, because people are quite often, I'm hanging out to find a 23 emu to complete my set. These are brand new 23 emus.
If you were looking for one, you're very, very happy right now.
Yeah. So, when I can work out how to open the box, you'll see in here. It's a clean box, and the 23 one was actually a really good design. I like this one.
Don't sound so surprised.
Some of them, some of the designs grab you, and some just don't. This one I actually thought was pretty good. So you've got the emu there. So Australian emu stamped across the top. You've got the emu, and it's quite a good picture. And then you've got the chicks running around the feet of the emu with the Australian background landscape there. And I think they did really well. This one kicked off quite a bit of controversy at the time because obviously it's a male emu. And there was quite a bit of back and forth about, this, that and the other. So I learnt a heck of a lot about emus that year. It was amazing.
The things you learn in this industry, Michael.
That's exactly right. And then on the obverse, it's the last year that we had Queen Elizabeth on there.
The memorial one.
Yeah. So, yeah, like I said, for a few reasons, this was one of my favourite of the Emu series. So I was really pleased when these came in. But we only have 300. They will sell relatively quickly. So grab them while you can.